Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this, your EGR cooler. That's bolted on just down there. See the water? It's bolted on just down there. Let's get some light on this and start again, yeah? See you in a minute. Mercedes Sprinter 69 plate. How to remove your EGR cooler. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Our EGR cooler, just there, alright? I want to tell you the easiest way I found to take it off. Take your EGR valve off. See that bolt sticking out? Take that out. There's another one around there. Take that out. And there's two just underneath there. Take those out. Undo all the bolts at the back there. That one, when you're putting it back, you're going to need a magnet, not that one, the one underneath that. Just down the bottom there somewhere it is. Where is it? Down the bottom, basically. Alright? You need a magnet to put that back. Well, I use the magnet. To get it out, I took this off also. Unbolt there. Unbolt the clamp there. Pull it away just to get it out of the way. Take my expansion tank off just here. What else did I take off? Take that off. Get it out of the way because this won't clear it when you try to lift it out. This bracket's got to come off. Bolt it to your dipstick, your fuel flow outlet over spilt. Take that off. This one, you just disconnect it, or you could just leave it on. I think I left it connected. I just cut the cable tie off that was holding it. What else? Obviously take your pipes off there. Whether it's easier to get it off there, like that one there, and the other one is here somewhere or another. That's about it. And it comes out. Once you get it out, that's when you disconnect this side, because taking all of that out and then it's just long. So you take the back end out, all the bolts out. I think there's 5 or 6 bolts, I'm not sure. Let me just check. The filler cap, the cover, that's what the gasket looks like. That pipe is, I took it off as well. I forgot to show you that. That goes on there, from there to the side of there. These are some of the tools I use. I use the mirror so I could find what I was looking for when I couldn't find the bolts and the bolts weren't moving. The magnet is there somewhere as well that I use to put stuff back. Clip for your expansion. This pipe here, just pull the clip up. There it is. Just pull it up so it pops off. And then the large pipe, that's that one. Yeah, expansion. Get that out of the way. Gives you space to work. Your expansion tank just pulls out. And this is a 69 place Sprinter. Forgot to say. Mercedes Sprinter 69 plate. How to remove your EGR cooler. And this is what it looks like. And if you look down here, just there, you see the split in the pipe. That's what the inside of it looks like. Okay, so from Tradespeople's Tips, I hope that helped. Until next time, see ya. And if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. See ya.